Seasonings and Mixes, where the Wild Things Show, cooking wild games. Today we're going to make Garlic Cheddar Beer Bread. This is a super easy bread to make, and it only takes 3 ingredients. This is my Garlic Cheddar Beer Bread mix. So we're going to add 1 mix to a bowl. And then you add 1 beer. And if you don't like the taste of beer, you could use a white soda, Mountain Dew. You use 1 12-ounce beer or soda. You could use a darker beer if you really enjoy the beer flavor, or go with a lighter beer if you don't like as much of a beer flavor to it. And you mix it just until it's blended, so do not overbeat this or you're going to lose texture of it. So it takes about 20 or 30 seconds until it's just blended. And this one I used a darker beer because I enjoy a nice beer flavor to it. And this is great. Serve it with a soup, serve it with your favorite roasts. It's great with lasagnas. So if you need an emergency bread quick, in an hour you have bread. So see how that's just blended, but I didn't beat the heck out of it. So grease a 9x5 bread pan and pour your mix right in. And pour your bread mix in. And then add 3 tablespoons of butter over the top. This is optional, but it sure makes it very moist. So just pour the butter over. You can also add a 1/2 cup of shredded cheese to the top too, and it makes a cheesy center. So now we're going to bake this for about 50 to 55 minutes in a 350-degree oven, and it'll be ready to go. Take our garlic cheddar beer bread out of the pan and get ready to cut it up. So here you have a beautiful moist loaf. And that's the one we did the 3 tablespoons of butter over the top of. Here's our nice moist garlic cheddar beer bread. Here is our bison peppercorn ranch taco chili with seasoned crackers and garlic cheddar beer bread. I'm Starla with Starla Seasonings and Mixes, where the Wild Things Show, cooking wild game. Enjoy!
Become a wild game cooking master by watching our professional chefs show us how to prepare outstanding wild game meals, desserts, and side dishes. Thanks for watching the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game. This is Rich McNutt. Enjoy.